Welcome to today's video, where we explore the current models of MJM Yachts. Established in 2002 by visionary Bob Johnstone, MJM Yachts is renowned for its cutting-edge yacht designs. Beyond technological excellence, these yachts offer more than just a ride. They ensure a tranquil voyage with an unparalleled sense of stability. Stay tuned to learn more about these outstanding yachts and see if you agree with our top picks.
This is Roxanne, and welcome to Harbour Masters, your regular dose of information and updates on the latest boats and the best luxury yachts.
The MJM 3 claims the third spot with its stylish Carolina Down East design. This express day yacht excels in performance across various weather conditions. Featuring an HVAC-controlled pilot house for indoor and outdoor comfort, it maximizes enjoyment on the water with 3 social zones. The convertible lounger, lightweight composite construction, top-notch stability, smooth ride, and low-maintenance outboard power enhance its appeal. Innovative features like joystick docking, skyhook station keeping, and electric windshields contribute to an enhanced boating experience. The indoor-outdoor pilot house settées convert to accommodate 2 sleepers, and a private wet head with a shower ensures comfort and convenience, making the MJM 3 a vessel crafted for seamless enjoyment and comfort on aquatic journeys. The MJM 3 is powered by twin Mercury outboards, with options for 300 or 400 horsepower, propelling the yacht to a thrilling top speed of 44 knots or 50 miles per hour. With a fuel capacity of 250 gallons or 946 liters, and a water capacity of 58 gallons or 220 liters, it provides ample resources for extended voyages. The vessel's draft varies, measuring 21 inches or 53.34 centimeters with engines up, and 32 inches or 81.28 centimeters with engines down, ensuring adaptability to diverse water conditions. Weighing 13,279 pounds or 6,017 kilograms, this yacht features an impressive overall length of 38 feet 2 inches or 11.63 meters, and a capacious beam of 11 feet or 3.35 meters, harmonizing power, precision, and comfort on the open sea. This yacht is currently available with a reported starting price of $732,800 US. The MJM 4 takes the second spot as a unique open-bow day yacht with overnight capabilities, known for its exceptional handling, smooth ride, and a luxurious blend of power and features. This innovative model introduces a galley-up layout for practical design, keeping everyone engaged. The open bow and aft cockpit provide expansive outdoor seating, complemented by the indoor or outdoor pilot house, offering protection from the elements. Adjustable features like electronically activated windshields, sliding side windows, and a retractable back create a seamless transition between open-air freedom and enclosed comfort. Versatile for extended boating seasons, below deck, a spacious V-berth and a comfortable double berth amidships cater to guests' relaxation. The yacht-sized head with a glass-enclosed shower enhances the overall onboard experience. The MJM 4, powered by either twin 440 horsepower diesel Volvo Penta DPI stern drives, or twin Mercury 600 horsepower outboards achieve speeds well beyond 50 knots or 58 miles per hour. This performance showcases the manufacturer's industry-leading post-cured epoxy infusion composites process and advanced hull geometry. With a fuel capacity of 350 gallons or 1,325 liters for the diesel DPI drive and 475 gallons or 1,798 liters for gas outboards, the yacht ensures extended voyages. A water capacity of 90 gallons or 341 liters complements its impressive 46 feet 8 inches or 14.22 meters overall length, and a spacious 12 feet or 3.66 meters beam, providing a perfect synthesis of power, efficiency, and space. You can enjoy quality time with family and friends aboard the MJM 4 with a reported base price of around $1.5 million. Before we move on to the top spot, we just wanted to share a new option for you to support us. In order for us to continue to give you more informative content, your one-time donation can definitely go a long way to help us fund our team and collaborate with other platforms. Just visit the link on screen or click the link in the description box below. Thank you so much for your support, and we promise to bring you only the best. Securing the top spot is the MJM 42, a well-built and highly engineered yacht. Its uniquely designed Caroline and Down East design offers modern accommodations like a luxurious hotel suite and an open concept layout similar to a comfortable living room. Crafted for optimal performance and fuel efficiency, it is lightweight and sturdy, using post-cured epoxy-infused techniques. The yacht features a premium helm sofa for shared piloting duties, incorporating a hideaway door and bulkhead for an open floor plan. Key attributes including a galley-up arrangement, an adaptable indoor or outdoor pilot house, versatile sleeping options, U-shaped dining seating, abundant natural light via large windows and hatches, and an expansive integrated beach deck. Propelled by either twin Mercury 600 horsepower outboards or a robust twin diesel stern drive generating 440 horsepower, the MJM 42 promises an exhilarating journey. Boasting a fuel capacity of 350 gallons or 1,325 liters for the diesel DPI drive and a generous 475 gallons or 1,798 liters for gas outboards, it achieves a top speed surpassing 48 knots or 55 miles per hour. With a substantial capacity of 110 gallons or 416 liters, this yacht stands out with an impressive overall length of 46 feet 8 inches or 14.2 meters. A spacious beam of 12 feet or 3.66 meters, and a nimble displacement of 17,730 pounds or 8,057 kilograms, increasing to 24,850 pounds or 11,281 kilograms, with a half load plus 5 people. If money is no object, you can plan your weekend escapades on your very own custom MJM 42 with a starting price of $1.6 million. Which of these luxurious yachts do you dream of owning or chartering one day? Do you have any preferences, specifications, or features that you would like to have in your yacht? List them down in the comments section below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share it with your family and friends if you find this video entertaining. Thanks for watching and smooth sailing!